Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Now, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So if you've been with me for the past month or so, you know we've been drawing cartoon animal turnarounds, including most recently many of the great Looney Tunes animal characters. Again, for the uninitiated, a turnaround is a series of drawings of a character from different angles, which creates a model sheet of that character, starting usually with a front view, then moving into other angles after extending some guidelines across the page to help position the features. Drawing a turnaround is an excellent way to really understand a character. So today we're going to wrap up our current stretch of Looney Tune animal turnarounds by drawing a bit of an obscure character, but one of my favorites, and just a fantastic fun character to draw, Michigan J. Frog. I'm sure many of you don't even know him as a Looney Tunes character. You may recognize him as the mascot of the WB television network during the 90s and early 2000s. But Michigan J. Frog first appeared in the classic 1955 Warner Brothers cartoon One Froggy Evening, directed by the legendary animator Chuck Jones. In the short, a construction worker discovers a frog sealed inside a building cornerstone. To his amazement, the frog suddenly springs to life, singing ragtime vaudeville songs like "Hello, my baby," while dancing with a top hat and cane. But there's a catch. The frog only performs when he's alone with the man. The moment anyone else appears, he becomes an ordinary silent frog, driving the poor guy into frustration and ruin. The cartoon is widely considered one of the greatest animated shorts ever made. So much so, it was later added to the National Film Registry. If you haven't seen this cartoon, I can't recommend it enough. Michigan, much like our drawing of Taz, is one of those cartoon characters where the head, face, and body are all kind of one connected shape. And I'll get into that in a second. But just a reminder before we start, everything I draw in my videos is the first time I'm drawing it. No practice. I say that to let you know that the process I use works, and it will work for you too. Okay? So let's draw. We're going to draw our turnaround of Michigan J. Frog step by step, giving you the secret formula so you can draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. Now, as I said earlier, like Taz, Michigan J's face, head, and body are really all kind of one connected shape. And because of that, we're going to do things just a little differently. We're going to use an oval as a placeholder for the bulk of his face and head. And we're going to use that oval as our unit of measurement. And in our turnaround of Michigan, his height is roughly 3 of those ovals tall, with his hat being about another oval tall on top of that. Now understand, Michigan J. Frog's body and face aren't actually oval shaped. In fact, in the front view, his body is shaped very similar to Taz's. That said, that oval is incredibly useful in helping us to lay out this iconic character, which I think you'll see as we begin constructing him. Now, drawing Michigan is a bit of a challenge. Large head and face mass, wide mouth, tapered body, long, thin, athletic limbs, and those oversized frog feet. And because everything flows together so smoothly, the silhouette becomes really important, and that silhouette changes dramatically as he turns. And just like always, we'll use light guidelines across the page to keep everything lined up. Eyes, mouth, shoulders, body, and overall height. Okay? So let's draw a roadmap for today's turnaround of Michigan J. Frog. Okay, so there's our roadmap of our Michigan J Frog turnaround. Now before we move on, let's break Michigan down into simple shapes. For those of you who want a screen grab, just something to help you lay out your turnaround. Okay, so now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. We're using guidelines to help position Michigan's eyes, mouth, face, body, and overall build, but we don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so keep them light enough to be able to erase them easily. Now with Michigan, the mouth is really key to the whole character. That huge grin wraps almost all the way across the face, and as the head turns, the mouth and muzzle begin to overlap and wrap around the form. So think of the face as a solid object in space, not just a flat drawing. And because the character is built from such a smooth, connected form, you want your lines to feel fluid and confident. Okay, so let's rough out the features for our turnaround of Michigan J Frog. Alright, so there are the roughed out features of our Michigan J Frog turnaround. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for that final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. This is where we get to draw in the final details of our Michigan J Frog turnaround. We're not guessing anymore because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. Now is the time to slow down and clean up your lines and make sure each drawing feels like the same character from every angle. That is the key with the turnaround. So as you finish, keep checking. Are the eyes lined up? Does the mouth feel like it's wrapping correctly around the form? And is the overall tadpole-like body shape staying consistent? And is Michigan still landing at about 3 head ovals tall, plus the hat? Keep refining all the way until the very end, okay? So let's draw in our final details for a turnaround of Michigan J Frog. And that's how you do it. There you have it, a turnaround of one of the most memorable and underrated Looney Tune characters of all time, from the Chuck Jones classic 1955 Warner Brothers cartoon, One Froggy Evening, Michigan J. Frog. So how do you think you did? If this is the first time drawing Michigan J or doing a turnaround, you can't expect to have drawn him perfectly. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring our Michigan turnaround because I want to focus entirely on the drawing process. But now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing a turnaround of Michigan J. Frog. And with that, you can draw him again and again. I promise each time you draw it, it'll get a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. So I'd love to see your turnaround of Michigan J. Frog. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to include the hashtag LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe and thanks for joining me. Until next time, hello my baby, and keep on drawing, my friends.